Now, strategy 1 of redundancy audio recording is what? You use 2 lavalier mic and 1 external recorder. Okay, right now I'm using 2 lavalier mic right here, and 1 is going to the camera and 1 going to my Zoom H1. Now, the technique to clipping a lavalier mic is this finger techniques. Okay, so your mouth to whatever you're clipping on is from there. So that is the distance away from the microphone that you want the lavalier to be fit. Now, before you do any big recording, don't make a rookie mistake. Learn this and you are on your way to a good audio recording. Please do a test shot first. With a test shot, you can check your audio level. If you don't know what your audio level is, you might clip it straight away. So with a camera that doesn't have a audio jack monitoring, you have to take the SD card out, put it in your computer, and listen to the audio recording. But since we do a backup with a Zoom H1, we can know the level. There's a meter level. Okay. So my goal is to hit minus 12 dB, the highest is normal talking speed. So there's enough room on the top end. If I speak loudly, it will not clip the microphone. So the goal is minus 12 dB. You try to hit that in your normal speech all the time. But please do a test shot so we know that we are recording the right audio and the right sound coming out. From there, you can start recording. When you press record, the next best thing you can do is do a 3 clap like this one. The reason why you want to do that is since we're recording in multiple devices, our audio has 2 sources. Sometimes you might want to use multiple cameras by having that visual and audio cues, the 3 claps, okay, 3 claps like that, okay. So that's give you a visual, and there's an audio coming out from the claps. So that gives us a syncing point in our post-production. So if you do your own production, you just need to look at that 3 claps, okay? There's a big waveform, okay? 3 big waveform on the audio length on your timeline. So you can just look at that and you can sync it up in your post-production. That's why the 3 claps rule is a must before you do any talking, okay? So 3 claps, you're good to go. In Hollywood or any video production, they have a clapperboard. So bang, okay? Same process, they use that to sync up the audio and video. Guess what I just did just then? Okay, I did not turn on the external recorder. So even a seasoned video production guy like me still make that rookie mistake. So be very careful, okay? Take your time at the beginning, do not rush. Make sure you have your camera A ready, but luckily this is camera B, the B backup of audio. So it's not dramatic that I have made a mistake, but do not press record, okay? Record, make sure it's turned on, then you can start recording and do the 3 claps.